Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the media and tools. Open Telegram and locate the video message or channel post. Once done, download the video locally or pause playback. This ensures the player can load external subtitles. Make sure you already have an English SRT file saved or that Telegram's auto subtitles option is enabled for the chat. You do this now so the next steps add the subtitle track correctly. Make sure file names match the video name when using local players. You now load the subtitle track into a player that supports SRT. If on desktop, right-click the downloaded file and choose Open with right arrow VLC or another compatible player. On mobile, export the video to a player app. Once the player runs, add the subtitle file via subtitle right arrow add file and select your English SRT. If you use Telegram's auto subtitles, make sure you tap the CC icon or open the message controls to select English. Adjust delay. You finish by confirming sync and saving settings. Play the video and use your player's subtitle delay controls to nudge text into perfect timing. Small increments fix most drift. Once synced, save the subtitle file alongside the video or reattach it to the chat so you can replay with captions quickly. If captions don't appear, update Telegram and clear app cache or re-upload the video to trigger processing. If problems persist, try a different SRT encoding or a different player to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.